be like you. I don't know much, but I'm ready for the ride. And when your body call for me, it is irresistible. Do anything, ready for the whole night.
I say we did loud. And of course, I gotta surprise you with the guest. And when you hear that make way, roll the carpet, waiting there on mind, please, who could tell me who they inside the studio with me now? The first 5 people, let's go. A surprise gift for you on the WhatsApp. Who they inside the studio with me based on the song where you hear now? 08095975808. The first 5 people. Who they inside studio with me based on the song where you hear now? Let's go. General Pype. Okay. Hey, General Pype. We are the world champions. Oshe, I know my winners. These 5 people, I will surprise you now. See my phone line. Lagos, let's start from that. Hello. Who they there?
Sure.
Yes.
This is Emmanuel from Ogun State.
Emmanuel, who they studio with me?
Na DJ Indo.
Now DJ waiting. You know hear well. Hear the song. Who they there?
Hello, Tete.
Who they inside studio with me?
Yeah, no, first time caller.
Who they inside studio with me? Whether it be first time or it be 10th time. Hello.
E from to the E to the X to the B.
No, you know hear well. Hello, who they studio with me? Who they studio with me? Last caller. WhatsApp people they represent.
Good afternoon, DJ Indo.
The WhatsApp people they represent. No, WhatsApp, thank you so much. On our go school. General Pype in the building with me. Cheche, all the way, make way, roll the carpet. They know hear the song, don't mind. No mind that they call me was Katias. Welcome inside the building, General Pype.
Respect, Queen.
Respect to you. You see how excited everybody did?
I'm
Wow.
super gingered myself.
Wow. Digital, I need to hear him voice clearly. That mic, please help me position that mic very well. No stress, Sam. Yes.
Thank you.
Good. I get General Pype in the building.
Respect.
And we go start up in there on the spotlight with the stream live. With their Facebook, with their YouTube, please make sure say you watch this particular interview. If you miss some, not to worry, go if you always watch the recap. All right. So we get the legendary, because I suppose put them that way. Now, I could run along with you, General Pype. Good. It's such a big honor. Say we get you inside Wazobia FM.
Thank you.
And I also take so much joy in them. Say I get to interview you for the first time in my 8 years career.
It's been a long time coming.
Yes.
We don't the plan ourselves.
Yes, you know the plan, right? Okay, so now you don't dare out of this music scene for a very long time. And I know so the people go really want to know why. You get any reason because of?
It get more than one.
Okay.
Yeah. Apart from like say it got to a point when I felt like okay, I need to diversify, get a little more educated, and you know, grab 1 or 2 certificate and degrees here and there. And other family issues too came up along the line. I think it was a family issue that had to take me to America. So when I got to that side, I was like, okay, I have to do something with my life, right? So I started going to school so I can really get a real job.
Wow.
So I was like on the way to like all the normal people. Yeah, I don't turn to adults.
So you've been there this music industry. Now you've been a big deal in the music industry. Everybody knows General Pype. And then you be moved to America. Then you guys go school to get more certificates.
Yeah.
And now you don't come back to music.
Yes. Some of my fans and basically fans are really grateful because they made me so scared to even touch Twitter, Instagram. If I just post any picture, say, "Guy, go sit down. Drew, give us song."
Okay, I want to ask you. Now, they send you messages. Everybody want hear you, make you come sing, right?
Yes.
Tell me how you been they feel when these things they happen.
I just dey look say I hope say these guys know say I no even stop to dey record. I keep recording all this time. I've been recording, but I felt that popular song say if you don't have money, make chill. As against to like just throwing the song out and you go call your friends, say guy, don't hear that new song where I drop. You understand? So I felt like until there is this structure in place where I can be able to drop song, not like the way I used to. I'll drop one single, I'll chill for 2 years or 3 years.
Yes.
That's because that time I only recorded and shot videos when I have money. If I get any small change like this at the wrong, go shoot video. So it wasn't sustainable.
Yes.
I needed some kind of steady
Backup.
sense of backup and everything. So I kept recording, making music, keep preparing for the day opportunity with jam preparation.
Wow.
You understand? And yeah, it's been awesome.
Make we now talk about your kind of sound, the genre of music where be say you they do, and waiting your music they communicate to the majority where be say they vibe to the song, they love your personality. Tell us how you they feel about them and exactly waiting your music they communicate to the people.
Okay, basically, music for me when I was growing up was like food, medicine, anger, drink, everything that people do to get in their best mood. Music did that for me. And it got to the point when I discovered that, it's everything. So I was like, if I ever was going to do music,
Okay.
I want to create music for different human situations. I don't just want it to be
Human
about,
situation. Okay.
you know, like every experience of human beings. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad, sometimes we are the two, sometimes we have mixed feelings, sometimes we just need a pick me up. But that time that I started, everybody was just singing only one type of music, beg, 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 beg. And in my mind, I'm like, no,
Okay.
there should be somebody that has inspirational vibe for everybody that will just gesticulate. So that was my own drive for music, and I'm so grateful for this generation though, because this generation, they listen now. I know people listen to Champion then, they just love the verse, say, that guy like Naija in the year.
But the energy, the vibe
Yeah.
where you put in inside Champion.
Yes.
Like the song they hear up until today, everybody go feel still relate. You
That's
see,
right.
once that song go off, bam, everybody go feel relate to that sound. Now I also want to make we talk about how music been start for you. Yes, back home in Niger.
Yeah, music for me now, all my my big brothers, their friends and all the people in the neighborhood. If it's either Fuji music or that music, but there's always music around me. And when I went to Isolo to say to spend a summer with some of my family members in Isolo, I met different talented guys doing a cappella in the neighborhood. Then I joined them. We started saying, boy, good gunshot. I'm like, shame, So it usually sounded to me like they were teasing me. They
Yes.
say, Ibrahim, oh yeah, now, check on more. So if they tell me to come sing, it always sounded like they teasing me. So I would shy.
Away from them.
Yeah, I would just be like, okay, shaking corner, I'll just do it. So music like that, then all of the influence left and right, Obalende market. I grew up in between.
You been
this
get a
beer
thing
parlor.
with Obalende, huh?
Yeah, I grew up there. I spent almost all of my developing age there. Primary, secondary school, good, bad me. all
Okay,
of
good,
them.
bad you. Now why you don't return back? This is the good you now. You don't visit Obalende recently. as
I've
it-
not. I only go back yesterday. I go back
Yes,
yesterday.
I know. Say people should be there communicate this matter. But then you there on a move. You they move from one place to another. But any plans to visit Obalende?
Definitely. We were even planning to throw a big show in Obalende on this visit.
For real?
Yeah, but then the whole logistic aspect, I will have to think it, because that was just
You
me.
gonna need to think more.
Yeah, I don't want it to be like cherewere or half-baked.
Okay.
I want it to be something that they can be proud of, and it's going to be free too.
Free.
Yeah.
Awesome. I dey wait. And now make I talk about you been there over there. They watch the Nigerian music scene. You dey see how things they unfold. You dey see the young people. I like curious that you be mention them. Say now they listen and all that. Tell me some of these young people, because you know music. You
Yes, sir.
be like now waiting you they breed. You breed this thing. Now part of you.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me for the younger ones now, who you go like work with? Yes. I set you up.
That one a big setup because I love all those guys. They are just sick. And no, they okay. Those boys know you're right. You understand?
Yes.
There's this young guy though that you should look out for. His name is Majid.
Okay.
He sang one song called Yawa No
Yes,
Day.
yes,
We
Majid.
did like 2 songs together. The guy is sick. I love his energy. It's
When
like
I do 2 songs together,
they are
album
not
there
out
on
yet.
the way.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I've been working crazily.
General
I
Pype. No,
did
don't
like
do me
2
like
songs
this.
with him, and there's this guy. There's I love Asake pieces.
Asake.
My son.
The
at home,
energy go there right.
my son doesn't let me have peace.
Okay.
He would just they sleep my own. He would just be like, Daddy, have you heard the new Asake? He say, what's that? Then I'll go out and living room. I'll just see the boy, they ginger, they dance. He introduced Joeboy to me, my son.
Yes.
He showed me Asake's music.
Wow.
Yeah. So all of those guys.
How old your son dey?
8.
Woo!
You carry all in both friends.
Music.
Put for my living room. They play Afrobeat. They are just the thing they give me joy. So
I think one day I go just tell you say I want to go home. Take
Johnny
me home.
Drill.
Yes.
That guy is a genius too. I
Okay.
love the fact that he just forget say some people say box day.
All right.
He just say box no deal. You know they think out of any box anything. You no even see the box.
So, but what's be the plan? You released two different singles, like back to back.
Yeah,
Now-
Blessed and Ready, Mine Only.
Yes, mine only. Now because of the album where they come.
Yeah, plus say the pregnancy.
Yes.
I've been pregnant.
You just want put to bed, sharp.
You understand? There's so many songs, and even the one that came out like 3 days ago is called Mine Only.
Yes.
That song, I was so ready to just let songs out because I've been recording this whole time that people thought I've been quiet. If I hear new sound that comes on, I'd
Yes.
be like, oh, I like that sound. Let's work on that. I work on it. I dump it in my folder.
Some people say make you no let you both carry you go, make you speak pidgin for us. So
Benny.
Yeah.
Okay. So the whole thing we say, I don't record all this time. I no stop.
Yes.
And like I said, every human situation and emotion, party or love or and time where person just need a little pick me up.
Yes.
And party o,
Yes.
party o. All of those, there's a whole lot of songs, a lot of Pype, a lot of new me that people didn't even know existed.
all right, so I go hold you there. I they come back sharply, make I go on top the break. We go sample one of the songs. Now General Pype there on the spotlight for Wazobia FM. General Pype, you and younger people, you get anywhere where you they support them also with their sounds and
Any
tune?
opportunity where I get, any opportunity where I get, I go anything. And even though sometimes na ordinary advice and they happy with
Yes.
that. So
Yes.
because when people hear say support like that, some people go say, I no get money to give them. Some people they just need your time for you to take the time and listen to what they got or what they want to share, or they even just have a question. So yeah.
Now your hair, everybody be know you with this hair. Tell me, it's been how long now coming? And this hair, how you dey maintain am? You get a special stylist or something?
Yeah, so if I did Nigeria, Tope, she go come wherever I did. If I did inside rat, she
Yes.
go drag me out do the hair.
Yes.
Now she did bully myself. Say, Pype, you don't go wash that hair. You don't do this. You don't do that. And yeah, Tope. Then in the other side, now different people they do.
You get another thing if you give you the level of joy when music give you.
Yeah, just music.
Just music.
Well, make I tell you because more people don't know.
Tell
When
me.
I did start into this arts world, I started drawing. After drawing, we started acting, like drama.
You sabi act.
Well, that year, you know. Wale Ojo was my classmate. Yeah, we went to St. Gregory's
Mr.
College.
Ritoni.
Yeah, all of those era. We jam for literary and cultural, whatever, drama class in St. Gregory's College. Yeah, so acting, I think, is something I have passion.
How about dance?
Dance, before I started singing, I used to know how to dance. But since music, it's like I gave that one up for. If you see me dance, I can't repeat it.
So you
It
get
just
that.
came.
Oh, welcome to the cup. So I be dey tell people say I get this dancing dyslexia. I don't feel remember the second part.
Yes.
If I dance one step, I don't remember.
No, now the joy when you catch inside yourself. Say, I get them. Then go one recreate and go say,
And
oh God.
and I'm so you see me dancing one time, like Oyibo they dance. So you get them too.
Even for stage, if you see me dance like that dance na demonstrate too. Maybe say just come there, demo like that, come on there, come stand up, come they look say.
But I don't say a lot of people go like teach you, especially you will be a performer.
Yes, I really need even this new dance because the new song, the song that comes out in like a week or two now is some wicked Amapiano song.
For real?
And Pype.
Now you mentioned Amapiano now. Back to South Africa and all that. You work with any of those African people?
In South Africa,
yes.
No. The only place, I mean, when I work, the South African I work with, it's like the OG of the OGs for South Africa. His name was Pitch Black Afro.
Okay.
And that was back in the day.
Okay.
Yeah, I've not really had the time. I think I need to open shop again. Then I confess
but you don't open shop already.
Yes, I feel invite those guys to work with, without having to deal with a whole lot of gates and red tapes and everything.
Yes.
Once I open my Jubasticule.
When this album they drop? Now they get singles back to back until
singles back to back till like say first quarter next year because it would have been the rest of this year, but we still have a whole lot to do. Yeah. We still have a concert. We're planning to come back to Nigeria to put up and stuff for the ghetto.
Yes. For the ghetto.
Not the hotel or the
for
Atlantic.
The villas then.
For my people, them.
Okay. Okay. Pype, you get any favorite kind of dish? Or you don't the chop or you go food?
No,
Nigerian
since
food?
I got to, if I've eaten 100 food in America, 98 na Nigerian food.
What's happen? You get farm? Where you the farm the food?
No, I did luck in Atlanta. I did.
African shop.
Atlanta where they so you go
see
Ogili. He did there.
Iru?
Everything.
Now why everything that's scarce for you?
Iru day, no. I don't turn to bad. I don't turn to Beseria. I don't turn to Jevinik.
So, what be your favorite dish? What be your favorite food? Oha soup.
Yes,
I
love Oha. Like,
who teach you Oha?
You can thief me go with Oha. I not go even fight you. Say, don't thief me. No, I just where I carry go.
But if I don't care, I feel like say maybe we do or something.
No, I don't really. I like them, but no be really.
No be as you take love
no be my or any Igbo soup. I dey cook any Igbo soup.
What's happen? Where the connection come from?
No, my first one of my first crew that time I did champion. The guy, his name is Tochukwu Umezulike.
Okay.
He's an Igbo guy.
Yes.
So we stayed together for like 8 months to 1 year.
So they cook soup.
You know, we go to Igbo places, we go buy this Igbo soup. I'm like, I don't like it. This Igbo, this Igbo, That's how I fell in love. And when I got to America, I couldn't find it. I wasted almost 20 pots until I knew how to cook it myself. Because if I go buy them, I'll go nearly cry.
Yes, they no go get that.
Yeah, I'll start being like, what kind of wickedness? You don't know how to cook your open restaurant.
But you know, Oha soup now, no, even person will also be cook. Oha soup will mess you up still.
Well, then don't try to cook it. Cook the one that you're good at. Don't make
this one they vex Pype.
It's spiritual. It's spiritual.
Soup is spiritual.
Yeah, wait, Toruto.
Yeah. Just like the music, it's highly spiritual, guys. Cheche, I'm about doing a conversation. This guy is a legend, man. Respect. So, Cheche, please play champion again. And then, so that we can have few. Now, you go tell us what you go. Now, you go tell DJ what you go. DJ go play mine only. Cheche, Agbadu Pype, please help me ask him if they speak Patois.
Well.
Oh, yeah, now.
What you want me to say?
Yeah, anything.
You name if you say
something. Talk
Wagwan. Well, a part of the time we come upon the place, we leave a trace, no bag of good at top the game I do it every day with my Oha soup.
Church, I thought he is not married. Is he married? I bet they talk music. He's married to music for now. Church, I would like to meet him, Pype, please. I've been looking for him for years. He be no there around. That's why. Kudos to him. When he go hold that, please make it come up and they will wait for him.
Yes.
Church, I love General Pype. Where we go getting songs, people they say where they want to hear the new sound.
Yeah, part of the reasons we say where would they apart from promo and to touch base, we say we plug them for boom play audio mark and I know say our people they always it's the most used platform for Nigeria. So
Yes. Cloud
and,
also reach out. We dey here for you. Cool FM, Wazobia FM.
Yes,
We're on
and
ground.
if una want the hear regularly, just keep it locked down on Wazobia. They will bless una.
DJ, give us little sound. Once I come back, now will be time for us to wrap up. Cheche, you've made my day. Bring in the artists who I don't define all my life.
Give it to me now, give it to me like oh. I love this vibe, yeah. Bring it to me now, bring it to me like oh. I love this vibe, yo. Good music is so hard to find. This one here, put it on rewind. I just wanna make it shine, make it mine, make it mine.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.